What's going on? What's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hi, you. What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to talk about a platform, guys, that I've been actually utilizing. And also, if you hear my little daughter right here, guys, it's daddy daughter time again. And, I'm feeding her as I'm actually shooting this video just to let you know things don't stop. I definitely want to let you guys know good things that you can utilize. Definitely make a difference in your systems here, okay? And definitely here, so I want to shoot this first here, okay? So guys, I wanted to talk about this particular system here. For you guys that do know me, I do utilize a system as well called the Conversion Pros, which I've been utilizing their system for a very long time. And I always had this system on the back end, but I just never really, utilized it or never, talk to anyone much about it. So now I actually utilize it a lot more, guys, and I just, I'm seeing how powerful it is, and I wanted to actually, shoot more videos about it just to let you guys know that this is a powerful system. It is worth it. Compared to all the other systems out there, you definitely want to compare. I shot a video not too long ago, just kind of breaking down, showing the different products, all the way over from, ManyChat to Aweber, all the way to ClickFunnels to lead pages, get response, just showing you all these different tools that you would need to utilize in order to have pretty much everything to be a successful marketer, or to pretty much have your business on autopilot. See, a lot of people don't understand is that, marketing, one thing that we definitely utilize is systems. So we like to build things as far as pages that kind of do all the selling and telling for us. Now, BuilderALL, pretty much, they've actually designed it to where, regardless of whatever type of niche that you're in, they have web pages designed strictly around that. Now, one reason that I definitely love this, because I know a lot of CPA people. I know a lot of actual brick and mortar business people as well. So, I feel like, these type of pages would definitely help them out. Or, if they have something that they're trying to actually launch or have out and they're wanting to pretty much promote it, they don't have the right pages. They kind of go out and they'll find some ugly page or so like that. But this is actually giving you some good design pages here. Now, we're going to talk typically about the internet marketer today. So let's just say someone that is into let's just say CPA. So let's just say internet marketing, right? We're going to go to internet marketing. Okay. So these are pretty much internet marketing sales funnels here. So, let's just say you had a product off of Max Bounty or ClickBank or JVZoo. These are pretty much pages automatically already designed, particularly for that niche. See, this is an actual poker online sales page. So this is actually for online gaming. If you have some type of online game product that you were selling, online dating, internet marketing, anti-aging cream, getting your ex back. You see, these are all pretty much titled around whatever type of niche that you would be promoting or marketing at that time. So if it's nutrition, travel, tennis, membership, this is a membership area. So let's just say, you have a sales training and you're wanting to pretty much, have someone to sign up before they do that. You're actually allowed to do that. So before they even actually go into your training area, they have to sign up and pretty much set up their email and things like that, okay? Very powerful, like I said, with BuilderALL, guys, here. Just some of the things that you can do here, just to kind of name some of that. Now, you do get a autoresponder here as well, which it has its own autoresponder, which is called Mailing Boss. Mailing Boss, guys, allows you to pretty much have unlimited subscribers on there. You can actually do broadcast messaging to your list. You can actually share your emails, and there's a lot of things that you can definitely do with it, and it's very user friendly. I'm going to do a lot more training videos about Mailing Boss, so that way you guys can definitely see how to utilize it itself. Guys, excuse me here if I gotta, she get a little upset with me here. But pretty much, guys, just to name some of the other things, and you can kind of see what else we got here. So let's just say sales funnels, right? So these are sales funnels that are pretty much already done. So let's just say tennis, list building, car sales funnel, online poker, and these are complete funnels already done. And you can just go in and pretty much look at them. So let's just say here, let's go to preview. So we're just loading up, guys. You see how you can go in and change all this out? Because it says your logo. This is cool. And you can say get access. And then once you do to get access, it'll take you here. And these are all pages here. And you can go in and change these out. And you can actually update this to the way that you want to update it. See, that's why I love BuilderALL, man. Love it. just everything that they have. You have an online store, classes, events, everything that you could possibly need, guys. Music. So if you're a producer, you have a page, or you're an artist, you have a page, you want people to check out your music, your MP3s, or let's just say you're selling something off of your website. You want to have a link to your iTunes, or whatever it is that you utilize in there. So I know some people use TuneCore, whatever it is that they're using. They have all these digital outlets that they can sell their music on. The apps is another powerful thing. You have the webinar. Now here's the apps, guys. Like the online SEO page report pretty much helps you guys with your ranking. Facebook chat box, so just like ManyChat, you're getting that. Pretty much a script generator, guys. Social proof, that's my favorite right there. The social proof is pretty much my favorite. I love it as far as the social proof goes, because like I said, it kind of shows people what you're doing and things like that. I mean, people checking out your page and showing that they opted in or set up an account just gives that social value to it, okay? And I'm just clicking through, man, just showing you guys here with the different things that you can definitely do. So I'm gonna go. So I mean, BuilderALL is pretty good, man. I mean, hands down, compared to what's out there, everything that you're getting, it's really worth it, man. You get the tutorial training videos just to kind of show you how to utilize everything within the system itself. I like to go over things and give you an actual access of it as far as the back office goes, as far as everything that you're going to get. I've actually showed you guys as far as pages that I've built with the system as well for it. So let me just kind of show you guys something that I just done for one of my primary programs here. So this is my Easy One Up sales page that I made. Once it pulls up here, see, that's a sales video that I made for Easy One Up, and I did this with BuilderALL, guys. Social proof. And if you're an Easy One Up, guys, and you want to join BuilderALL and you need a page, just join BuilderALL with me here, and I'll actually give you access to this. See, the one thing about BuilderALL, I can make a public page, and pretty much I can give it to you, and then you have to save it right away, and then go in and pretty much it's saved to you, and you can go in and make the changes that you want to make to it and update it to you. Mostly the thing that you're going to do is just change out as far as your click where it goes to, as far as the sign up. Everything else stays the same. I want to show you my cap page as well that I made for it. So this is a capture page that I utilize there. I talk about the social proof, so it shows the social proof that pops up down there. That's pretty much what the social proof does. So that's very good, man. $25 one up. No, I want to go into my econ. This is one I made off my econ here. This is a capture page that I made for my econ. Free video reviews how to earn an extra 500 plus a week and increase your credit score to a 750. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So before they enter in, we're about to witness thousands of people raising their credit score and earning a six-figure income. Once you're in your email, pretty much going to take you to the sales page. Okay. So this is just some cool stuff, man. I just want to show you guys how I was actually utilizing it here. Here's another capture page that I made. This was with MCA, free video reviews, how to get multiple $80 payments into your bank account. That's when I did one for MCA. Here's one, just showing you guys what I've done with this system. Automated income system. Free video. See a little video up top. This is one of the first pages I ever did with BuilderALL, guys. This is how long I've been with BuilderALL, man. I just never really promoted it up front, utilizing it in the background, just playing around with it, and just putting little different stuff up so you guys can see now how I'm utilizing it, and how easy it is to use. This is very simple to use and easy to use, okay? So, guys, the price for BuilderALL is a very affordable plan. You can definitely try this out for 7 days for free. So I'm going to have a link that's going to be in my description. It's going to allow you guys to definitely test this thing out for 7 days. This is the plan that I'm actually under because I'm actually letting you guys know about it. I'm also an affiliate, so I'm able to see everything I'm actually able to have everything that comes with it here. So this is everything that you're getting here, okay? Guys, I'm just scrolling through. You're going to be able to see this, okay? all this. All this. So this is, I just went over a portion of it. Just a portion of things. This is everything you're going to be able to have access to, okay? The inbox auto answer, the Facebook Messenger to the auto poster. You got hosting included, BuilderALL business community, ready to go sales funnel for the business BuilderALL plan. Guys, you name it, we pretty much got it, okay? So if you want to check it out, this is a very popular plan. I was at this plan for a very long time because I didn't actually tell others about it. I was just utilizing this particular plan. So now I'm able to utilize this plan because I'm over here. I'm using it for the business, okay? So I'm going to leave a link for you to check everything out, guys. It's a cool system, man. I just want to kind of share some of the things that I have done with it. You know, sales pages, capture pages. Just a tip, like I said, there's more to it, guys. It's an app creator. I mean, just get in and play with it, man, so you can see everything that's here. Like I mentioned, I'm going to do a lot more videos as far as how to utilize the system. We may even put together some pages as far as, you know, different things you can do. You're going to be able to create webinars. You name it, guys, we get you taken care of. So this is about, if you're in the business, pretty much showing you how to do it, about the business, 30-day business builder, daily task on what to do. So it's kind of like a training on what to do, funnels that we already have for the company itself, your earnings if you bringing people in, the system. So guys, it's worth it, okay? The system is worth it. I want you guys to definitely take a look at it. Check it out, man. You know, like I said, I have other programs and platforms that I do use as well out there. But if you like this one better than the other one, do what you got to do. It is what it is. All right, I use both. So the reason I use both because I have lists in the other company as well. So I definitely utilize their marketing system also, and I have over almost 10,000 people in that email list. So I will not let it go. All right. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video on up. This is your boy Jay. I want you guys to have a beautiful and blessed day. Click the link at the bottom. Check it out in the description. Get signed up. I'm out. Peace.